Hey y'all, it's me Lomo. I've been in TikTok jail all day. I got in jail. Let's see. They put me in jail last night. It probably was around 10:30. I got so excited for the Black Girl Follow train, and it's just amazing to me, all of the love that's being shown towards us black women. So I'm just excited about that. But I came on here because I own a online gift shop. I customize gifts, T-shirts, apparel, tumblers, mugs, anything that could be customized. I do it. Um, I ordered me some new business cards because about 3 months ago, um, I had my website redone, rebranded. So I needed new business cards to match my website. So I don't know if you all are familiar with Canva. I love Canva. I use it all the time for all of my social medias and any flyers or newsletters or anything that I need to do. And I designed my business cards in there. I had never ordered anything. I've never had it printed and ordered through Canva before. So this is my very first time, and I just wanted to share with y'all the experience. So it came today. I love the box. It's a cute box. So I'm just gonna open it here. Oh, it always seems impossible until it's done. I love that message. So my little business cards. This is neat packaging. So my business cards are inside this little box here. In my order, I believe it was 100 business cards, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, y'all, I am so excited. Check this out. This is the front side of my business card. And this is the back. I hope y'all can see it without the glare. I'm excited. Place your order. It has my phone number and my website and my mission: empowering, supporting, and motivating individuals one gift at a time. So I am very pleased with that, y'all. I ordered it on the glossy paper and it looks very, very professional. I am very pleased. So thank you, Canva. Thank you. All right, y'all. So I just wanted to hop on here and show you my business cards and share the experience that I had. And I will be um, ordering me a banner next. So, hey, y'all, this spring and this summer, my plan is to be at somebody's pop up vendor fair. I need to get back in the swing with things. So, y'all check out my store, www.lomosworld.com. Check it out. Find something that you like and order. Place an order. That's the goal. I need orders. So thank you for being on here with me, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.